everyone, in this video I want to share you about how to create spine stair in AutoCAD. Okay, let's get started. Firstly, I will do here is to get off my drawing unit, so I simply type here in U and enter. I'll choose here is a decimal and the next one precision is 0. Here is decimal degree, here is 0. Now I will choose a millimeter. Okay. And again, I will choose a working space setting on here is 3D modeling. Now I'm going to draw a circle for C, enter. Click on first one is here and select diameter option at 300, enter. Okay. The next circle for select this center point and select diameter option 2300, enter. Okay. Now I will draw a line for L, enter. Select first one is this center point and F2 quadrant here. Okay. Now I want to array for this line A, R, enter. Select this object, enter. I want to choose a polar options. Center point is here. Then I want to click right click, choose item and 18, enter. Okay. Now I'm going to delete this line, and again here is also, and the last one is here. Okay. Now I want to trim for DR under this inner parcel line. Okay. I want to change southeast isometric. Okay. Now I'm going to press pull for this pose and this step. So I will choose a press pull here and select this circle, F2 3000, enter. Oh, sorry, you enter. And again I will choose press pull, select this circle. I will choose 3000, enter. Okay. And again I will press this object 35, enter. Okay. I want to see shaded form. Okay. And again I will change wireframe. Now I want to draw a line for L, and click on this center. That I will choose this direction 20, enter. This distance is offset or hand pose. So I want to draw a circle for C, enter. Click on first one is this endpoint and I will choose the diameter option 40, enter. Okay. I want to move this object for M, enter. Select this object, enter. Click on this point, F2, this endpoint. Okay. Now I'm going to press pull for this object. I will choose a press pull. Select this circle, F2 1000, enter. Okay. I'm going to array for this step and this hand pose. Firstly, I will draw a path. Now I'm going to choose draw banner from helix command for here and specify center point, click on this center point, base radius diameter, this point, top radius diameter, select diameter option 2300, enter. I'm going to choose tens option 1, enter. Helix height is up to this center point. Okay. Now I'm going to array for this steps and this handles. Now I will type in array command for AR, enter. Select object here and this post, enter. I will choose a path option. Select path curve is this path. I will choose a measure drop down, divided. I will type in item command box in 18, enter. Enter. Okay. Now I want to see shaded gray. Okay. Now I want to draw a path for Henry. So I want to choose a smooth path line here and click on first point is this center point and this point, and again this center point here and this point, and also here and this center point and this point, and again here and here, this point, this point, this midpoint, and this center point, and I will try this point. Here is also, and again this center point, and the last one is here and that and that. Okay, here is my Harry path. Now I'm going to draw a circle. Firstly, I have to change UCS icon for select Z axis. Click on this center point. I will change this condition. Okay. Now I want to draw a circle for C and R. Click on first point is here is select diameter option 40 and R. Now I'm going to use a 6 command for SW EEPC and R. Select object is this circle, enter. Sheet part is this line. Okay. I want to see shaders of gray. Okay. Now I'm going to change UCS icon for top. Sort is isometry. Okay. Now I'm going to use a copy command for CO and select this Henry, enter. I want to click base point is this center point. I want to use this direction. Second point or distance is 350 enter. Another one is 700 enter. Okay. Now I'm going to use a command for sphere. I will type in SPHERE, sphere, enter. Center point, click on this point. Select diameter option, 45, enter. Okay. The next one is here, and again SPHERE, sphere, enter. Center point, click on this center point. Select diameter option, 45, enter. Okay. Now I'm good. Okay, I want to use press wheel command for click on here. Select object is this circle and extrusion height is 50, enter. Okay. Now I want to see view of conceptual, and again hidden, and again realistic form. And again shaded form, and again shaded gray, and again sketchy. Okay, I will choose a shaded gray. I want to delete this part. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.